Hey guys, welcome to Budget Gadgets PH. And remember, always stay safe and healthy. Today, we are going to unbox TYLEX XK19 earphones. Just like the product from the previous video, the TYLEX MSK1 wireless headphones, I bought this product from LAZADA for just 60 pesos or roughly over $1. I bought it on a discount as well. We have here two color variants, white and black. There are other color variants which are green, red, and blue. The unboxing experience, like in the previous video, is very straightforward. In this item, once you open the carton box, you'll be greeted with a white plastic which contains the earphones. Here is the earphones. It is, I think, double coated. There is that normal black rubber coating, and above that, there is another layer of rubber coating which is transparent and has this unique texture, which gives an impression that this is a cloth braided cable. And because of this, the color is more like of a gray than a black on the black variant. Now, here are the earphones themselves. It's plastic, but it is a solid one. The ear tips, however, are flimsy. One of the ear tips are damaged, so I have to replace it with another one. Good thing I have a spare from my other earphones. Right here, we have a button for answering calls, but I'm yet to see if it can play or pause the music. Unfortunately, there's no physical volume up and down button, so if you want to change the volume of the music, you need to reach your cell phone. Now, let's take a look at the white one. That's the same unboxing experience, obviously. And actually, I'm into the white one more than the black one. So far, this product is good. It feels good, and on the first impression, it sounds satisfactory, which is good enough considering the price. Especially if you are on a tight budget and you are currently looking for an earphones, this is a good gadget and accessory for you. If you want a review on these earphones, make sure to hit that like button and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because I will upload more unboxing, review, and gadget news videos in this channel. This has been Budget Gadgets PH. Until the next video, see you and stay safe.